Hello everyone and welcome back. Few things are as frustrating as a printer that won't respond when you need it. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily manage your printers and scanners in Windows 11. To start, click the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar and click on Printers and Scanners. If you're setting up a new device, click Add Device. Windows will search your network and connected devices to find any available printers for you. If for some reason your device isn't listed, then you can select Add manually. A new printer window will pop up with several options. In this example, I will add the printer by using an IP address. Select Add a printer using an IP address or hostname. Then click Next. In the hostname or IP address field, go ahead and write either the hostname or IP address of the printer. Then click Next. In the next step, click Finish. Once your printer is connected, you can click on it to see its status. This is where you can open Print Queue to see if a document is stuck or if the printer is offline. If your printer isn't working correctly, a good first step is to look for Run the Troubleshooter. This built-in tool can automatically find and fix many common printing and connection issues. You can also manage printer properties or set a printer as your default. Setting a default printer makes sure the right device is selected automatically when you click Print. Here you can also manage preferences. You can set the orientation, or if you want to print on both sides. And if you click Advanced, you will have the option to choose paper size. Pro tip: if you no longer use a printer, it's a good idea to click Remove. Keeping this list clean prevents confusion when you're printing important documents, especially if you're in an office environment. Managing your hardware properly makes your daily tasks much smoother. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to Libritechia for more practical tech tips. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.